Please repeat after me and say each verb clearly so you can remember them easily. Run, I am running. Dig, I am digging. Cry, I am crying. Sleep, I am sleeping. Teach, she is teaching. Write, I am writing. Drive, I am driving. Pack, I have packed. Hear, I am hearing. Read, I am reading. Lead, he is leading. Bring, I am bringing. Kick, he is kicking. Blow, she is blowing. Crack, the egg is cracked. Wear, I am wearing a mask. Refuse, he is refusing. Scold, she is scolding. Slip, he is slipping. Argue, they are arguing. Cook, we are cooking. Fry, he is frying. Bite, she is biting. Score, what is your score? Eat, he is eating. Squeeze, I am squeezing. Print, I am printing. Build, we are building. Help, he is helping. Ride, she is riding. Weave, she is weaving. Throw, he is throwing. Crawl, baby is crawling. Present, he is presenting. Stand, he is standing. Apologize, he is apologizing. Gift, she is gifting. Lie, I am lying. Mark, I am marking. Fly, the bird is flying. Serve, he is serving. Mix, the nuts are mixed. Cut, he is cutting. Divide, these are divided. Tear, he is tearing a paper. Tighten, I am tightening it. Cram, the container is crammed. Search, he is searching. Think, I am thinking. Arrange, he is arranging. Break, she is breaking. Water, he is watering. Paint, he is painting. Sprinkle, he is sprinkling. Kiss, he is kissing. Iron, I am ironing. Dive, he is diving. Hug, they are hugging. Protect, he is protected. Fold. He is folding clothes. Praise. She is praising. Shave. He is shaving. Sew. She is sewing. Soak. Vegetables are soaked. Melt. It is melting. Laugh. She is laughing. Brush. She is brushing the teeth. Give. He is giving. Pick. He is picking. Chop. She is chopping. Measure. He is measuring. Insert. He is inserting. Hang. She is hanging the clothes. Work. They are working. Unpack. I am unpacking. Capture. He is capturing. Plow. He is plowing. Copy. She is copying. Rate. I am rating. Repair. He is repairing. Move. It is moving. Scratch. He is scratching. Blush. It is blushing. Change. It is changing. Drip. Water is dripping. Meet. We are meeting. Listen. She is listening. Hit. She is hitting. Cross. She is crossing the road. Edit. He is editing. Fix. He is fixing. Hold. They are holding. Wash. She is washing. Create. He is creating. Fondle. She is fondling. Frown. He is frowning. Free. The butterflies are freed. Jump. It is jumping. Whisper. She is whispering. Subscribe please.